Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
For question 14, if you want to find the useful output power, so remember that your output power will be an exerted force F times your velocity. Now velocity is given to you 15 meters per second, so all you need to do is to find the exerted force. So how do I find the exerted force? Now remember to draw a free body diagram. You have an exerted force F, you have your weight, you have a normal reaction, and you have a combined frictional force, which is W over 5. So what we can say is, if it is moving upwards with constant speed of 15 meters per second, so if you resolve parallel to the plane, your resultant force will be 0. So that's what I did. So the forces parallel to the plane will be F minus W sine 10, which is the component of the weight down the slope W sine theta, minus the frictional force W over 5, that equals to 0. So from there you will get your exerted force. Substitute your W as mg because you have the m, and then finally you use P equals to Fv, where the exerted force times the velocity, and you'll be able to get the power.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.